ሄሎ ኤቭሪዋን እንዴት ናችሁ? በዚህ ቪዲዮ እንዴት ባይነሪ ዲጂትን መቀነስ እንዳለብን እንማራለን። we learn how to subtract binary digits. So in this video we learn how to subtract binary digits. For the basics, let's say 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract 0 minus 1 because it will give us a negative number, so we have to borrow from the next column next to it, left next to it. So we'll continue to our example. Example 1. Let's subtract 110 minus 101. 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, as we said, it is make it negative, therefore we have to borrow from this column, so the subtraction goes column by column, right? So here 0 minus 1 we cannot, so we have to borrow from this. So when we borrow from here, this will change into 0 and this will change into 2, because 1 0 in the binary digit is the same as 2. So when we borrow this 1 2 here, it will be 1 0, which is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So the binary digit 110 minus 101 will be 001. To make sure, 110 is 4 plus 2, which is 6, and 101 is 4 plus 1, which is 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and the 001 binary digit is 1. So if you want to know how to change binary digit to decimal number, you can see my previous video. Okay, so this is the first example we do. Let's continue. Let's see how to subtract 1010 minus 1000. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the binary digit 1010 minus 1000 will be 10. Again, make sure it is right. 1010 is 8 plus 2, 10. 100 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And the binary digit 10 is also 2. Our third example will be subtracting 1101 minus 1001. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 1101 minus 1001 will be 100. So again, let's make sure. 110 means 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is 13. 11010 is the same as 8 plus 1, which is 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. And the binary digit 100 is also 4. Our fourth example will be, let's subtract 100 minus 10. Okay. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract 0 minus 1. Therefore, we borrow from the previous one. So when we borrow this one, will change into 0, and this one will be 1 0, which is 2. Therefore 2 minus 1 will be 1 0. Okay, so this will be 0. Okay, again, this sure 1 0 0 is 4 minus 1 0 is 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2, and the binary digit 1 0 is also 2. Let's continue. Next example will be 1 0 0 minus 1. 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, therefore we cannot also borrow from here, therefore we have to go all the way to this side. So 1 can lend to this 0, so this can be 0 and this can be 2. Again, this one can lend to this 0, so this change into 1. This can be changed into 1, and this will be 2. Okay, this will be 1. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus, we have 1 here. So 1 0 0 minus 1 will be 1 1. Okay, excuse me, let me do this again because the thing look like so the color is not showing good. So 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, 0 minus 1, no, so borrow from here, so this change into 0 and this change into 2 in the first instance. Then 2 can lend to this 0, so this change into 1 and this change into 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 will be 1, and 1 will come here. Therefore 1 0 0 minus 1 will be 1 1. Okay, to make sure, 1 0 0 is 4 minus 1 is 3, and the binary digit 1 1 is also 3. Okay, let's continue. Our next example will be subtracting 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So 0 minus 1 you cannot, so let's borrow from the previous one. So this change into 0 and this change into 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again, this 0 minus 1 cannot subtract, so let's borrow from here. This change into 0 and this change into 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so the binary digits 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 will be 1 0 1. So to make sure, 1 0 1 0 is 8 plus 2, which is 10, minus 1 0 1 is 4 plus 1, which is 5. Therefore 10 minus 5 is 5, and this binary digit also 4 plus 1, which is 5. Next example. So making too many examples make you perfect, as I say, practice makes perfect, so that's the sake of practice. Let's do 1 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 1. 0 minus 1 you cannot subtract, so 0 minus 1 the same thing, so we have to go all the way here. This one can lend to this 0, so this change into 0 and this change into 2. Again, this 2 can borrow lend to this one, so this 2 change into 1 and this change into 2. So 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, the binary digit 1, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 1, 1 equals 0, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0 means 8 plus 4 is 12. 1, 0, 1, 1 means 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. 12 minus 11 is 1, and this binary digit is also 1. Our last example will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 you cannot borrow, so we have to go all the way here. So this 1 can link to this 0, or the 0 can borrow from here. So this change into 0 and this change into 1, into 2. Again, this 0 will borrow from here. So this change into 1 and this be 2. Then this 0 can borrow from here. So this 2 can change into 1 and this 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Again here, 0 cannot subtract 0 minus 1, so this will change into 0 and borrow from here, and this change into 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Therefore, the binary digit 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 0 will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Therefore, to make sure, 1, 1, 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 32 plus 16. This will be 48. 1, 1, 0 is the same as 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, which is 16 plus 4 is 20, is 30. So 48 minus 30 is 18. And the binary digits, this will be 16 plus 2, 18. Thank you for watching.